Why you not know people business? Leave people business alone. Leave people business alone. So I'm about you gonna die now. That's the most you're gonna get out of him all day, guys.
Give it the energy that it needs.
We know people that do. That's a beauty. We ain't got it, but we know people that do. You are?
Yeah. Costume.
That's exactly
I don't care. Going on the bus. Start dance, start palance.
You going now, yeah?
Dance to soca. Dance to soca, boy.
Nice to sit and look at your work. It's nice to sit and admire your work. Yeah, guys. Yay! See you later.
Armani.
You can chat him.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, GNT. GNT, listen guys, we have a surprise for you. Continue watching and we'll see you later. Boo!
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now.
GNTs and welcome to another vlog. Where are we off to today? Do you know why you're laughing? Every time I start talking, you're laughing. Why?
I laugh. It's a prepare for my smile now.
Do you know that him I prepare for his time? Yeah, guys. So welcome to another vlog. Where are we off to today? Talk to them.
We're off to Imani Day. Imani Day.
So tell the people then what is an Imani Day. They must want to know. GNTs want to know what is an Imani Day.
Yeah, GNT. So yeah, welcome to another vlog. So today's Imani Day. So Imani Day, the day that our friend celebrate their daughters. Yeah, just basically a day to celebrate her really. So it's a day apart from her birthday, a party for.
Basically, she's the only child, isn't
Yeah.
it? So they just probably wanna, you know. And as we talk about that, we're approaching there. So you see, Lord, look for the accident. Watch out! I thought we had arrived at the party. Look on this. Lord.
I forgot park off every day.
Yeah, man, no bother with it.
Because
Because basically the party's along here, guys. And we usually park on the front road. Just park on the side, yeah. I can't take the problem on a Saturday, they time me up. So yeah, it's very local to our house. He's a neighbor. Basically, let's give you some background story about Simeon and where we're going. So basically, he's a client of ours, a customer. He was our first big garden project.
Full garden design.
Full garden design. You don't see the man look for you because you're going on the man drive to reverse. You're going in on the man drive to reverse the car.
No, I'm not reverse.
Huh?
Turn. Just
People don't like it when you use their drive for turn wrong.
Don't say that.
Anyway, as I was saying, Junior and his driving. But as I was saying, yeah, so he Simeon was our first full garden project. Yeah. When we got the call that he wanted to do the full garden and we gave him a quote and he accepted, and it was a big garden project. It wasn't cheap either. We were ecstatic because that was like, wow, you know, big job, blah blah blah. Anyway, cut a long story short, we remain friends. No, him and Junior are good friends, isn't it? And you know, it's moved from customer to friendship.
Yeah, to friend. Yeah, we just click, you know, chat. He's West Indian, Caribbean background, And
So you had stuff in common.
yeah, so we had stuff in common, etc. So we chat, and yeah, but he's a quite cool guy, man. He's in terms of most project you work on where customer is quite fussy. Simeon is fussy, but he leaves it to it. So so we it was quite good. Nice guy. So yeah, from that point we just becomes friend and just keep in touch. And when he had his garden opening last year slash Amani Day, we were invited. And and he highlighted us. We were like one of the main guests, like make everybody know who we are, who we were, and that we done the garden and stuff like that. So yeah, and from that part we just like part of the family really. So yeah, so that's where we are now. We're going to Simeon party.
Junior's energy not last too long. He'll be silent for the rest of the day now because he used up all his energy to entertain Yeah, left the phone.
All right. Fun,
these kids everywhere they go, them I bring the phone like them they know how to socialise. You understand? You bring them out and them have their phone and their gadgets, bury their head in their phone, can't talk to nobody, can't introduce themselves. People that talk to them and them I look like them that understand English. So yeah, right, so let's get out the car and make our way to the party. And then we'll show you the garden, guys. I'm excited to show you the garden. And Simeon's somebody, he looks after his garden as well. Like before the function, he got Junior to go round and touch up some paintwork stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, so he's a man who looks after his garden. So yeah. And these are taking photos. Oh, look at Savannah's shoes. Oh yeah. Show Savannah's Crocs. Come on, Ash.
Are you in it? Come on, Ash.
So there's Savannah's Crocs and she chose her little gems. Yeah. So she put them on today and she's all ready to go. Savannah's favourite colour is?
Purple.
Purple. Purple. And Ashy is in grey today. And he's got his trainers on that cost nearly 200 blasted pounds. So we never know the price of them until we look on the receipt. Pass my coat, please. £200. Me never know the price of the trainer until me come home and look on the receipt. We are gonna take peanut in other people in the yard. Junior, give me peanuts. We're going to the man's house now. Should I put it in my thing in case I'm hungry? Wait a minute, where's the camera bag? Sorry guys, we're trying to get organised. Where's the camera bag, Junior? You shut my thing in there. We're not organised. Let me lock off the camera and sort out myself. Guys, I'll be back. Even Savannah said, you're being rude to me. Huh? Savannah, stick up for me. Said, Daddy's being rude to you, Natasha.
You go and sit in the car. Bye.
No.
Well done, Savannah. Stick up for me.
Walk properly into the car.
Shut up, Junior.
We're all going to the same place, guys.
Exact. Tell him again, Savannah.
It's the same party, bro.
Exactly.
I live down there.
No, he lives down here, isn't he? Where we just saw the accident.
Oh, that accident.
I know, look at that. And it's nearly outside him house, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Huh? My God Almighty. So who in the wrong this or no? Yeah. Well, they met the man see me with the car because I think he saw me in the car. I mean, you know what? I'm troubling at the day, yeah. Savannah, in the road.
Yeah.
You're not to walk on the outside. You always walk on the inside of the road, yeah? I should walk up like you have life now. So the day is overcasted, guys, but it's warm. But there's just no sun. Yesterday, it was hot.
So G&T, we're arriving at the party now. So as you know, it's a kids party, so we're not going to take too much videos of kids. Yeah, so just going to do a quick walkthrough at the party.
There's that. Camera.
Yeah.
Well done. Thank you.
Huh? Give it a prize. You take her inside and she fell asleep. Ashes, you're having fun. Go on then, big boy.
You can go and get the card and walk through.
I've done it already. Walk through. Yeah, walk through. Yeah.
I thought, because you know we didn't get where we walked in along the pavement, opening the, opening, because I can piece it. Savannah's next, guys.
You got your game plan? You know how you're gonna be throwing them?
Hey!
Well done. Keep going.
Keep going, Savannah, come on!
There you go.
Am I vlogging? Show them around. Yeah.
No, we can't, okay? No, we're not supposed to vlog. We're not gonna vlog. AGNT, yeah, so we're here at the party now, so we're just sitting here. So at the moment there's a kids bit going on. So we're here with Ash. Savannah is here chatting as always. So yeah, so we're gonna do some of the kids bit with the kids. Kids already played the game. And stuff, have their food. So afterwards, we're gonna have a big people time. So yeah, we're gonna get Savannah the babysitter to come and get them and bring them home. And then we're gonna party. The party, yeah, we're gonna do the big, the grown up bigs. Funny back and foot, black, sore. Yeah, so yeah, man. So here now, and then afterwards, after hours when it be darker, yeah, kids then go home. So yeah. So stay tuned.
We're being responsible parents.
Responsible parenting.
Responsible parents, and then when we drop them home, we have a broco. You know, Dad got a haircut. What do you mean? Oh, did you? That's why it looks so sharp.
Oh, you're now the shop.
No, usually like 6 box.
So guys, we go barber today for the longest time. In about probably 6 years now. Let me shave myself. I'm knowing it. You know, all the time when you see me on the camera, I'm looking at clean the thing. Yeah, man, I shave myself.
If you have hair. You don't know him with hair. You don't remember him with hair.
Did you just say that had hair and look better?
As she said, if Dad had hair, he'd look better.
Not like love, just like
What a boy out there.
just like a little.
As she said, if dad have hair and look better. So you're trying to say, your dad can't look any better than this, Ash. This is it.
This is it, mate. This is the best
This
we
is
get.
Max. This is the best you get. Hair not gonna make it look better, you know. Looks my hair.
Speaking about hair, would you have a hair transplant?
No. Oh, I remember my life bald head, man. I hate hair. I hate pubic hair. I hate arm hair. I hate facial hair.
Yeah, we know you.
I don't like hair,
get
man.
rid of all that. But on your head, would you do a
No,
transplant?
I don't like hair, man. I like to go in the bar. I like to go in the shower and
I
wash
can
my hair.
still see your hair saying not done that good. And him do it? It's not even.
Yeah, you see that?
Hey.
Yeah, people, so
Wait, do you a favour?
with their tab of my head. No, man, 30 pound in charge me.
Shut up.
Hey,
For between feet both away. Total. Take for no skull ball. Take for no
Oh, that's why. You told me.
skull ball. If it's skull ball, it will look little bit lighter than that.
That's why. Okay, well that's why then. Because I'm saying to myself, okay.
Look guys, sun coming out. So we're here and we're talking and the
Look,
sun
shadow the
coming
sun
out.
up there because it was dark grey, and now it's blue.
The sun coming out, people.
That's good. It's shining
Look.
out, yeah.
The sun trying to push out.
My God. My God.
So give me some sweets, Savannah. Get daddy sweetie.
These kids don't want to get their parents nothing. Anything else than to get is a no.
So guys, we came here with cloudy.
Careful, what are you
The
doing?
sun,
He took my logo pot.
sun coming out now. Yeah man. So we this way I go and Bill have Natasha have a burger already, Ash have a burger, Savannah have a burger.
You know, if you tell them that, they
But
don't
the
say they
kind
wear
of-
meat, they wear food, they
But the kind of plan for it already because they don't catch me again like last year. Last year I come here and they pick them, get them burger and adult have a song and wheat and why. They kind of feel a bit raw on the stomach, so I sure need something before me come here. Raw sun!
Sun to come out, man.
Woo!
Here
The sun is out! The sun is here! The sun has arrived, guys. Look, 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 look. Everybody making nice. Everybody making nice. The sun arrived.
Because when you're watching it, adjust that. When I see you,
Around with the
then I
camera.
want to see just the face. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
No
Yeah.
problem, no problem.
Oh, no worries, man. Cheers. The thing must say thanks to his son. His son.
The ball out. Yeah, ball out.
Yeah.
People. They got a ball out.
Barbecue and jacket.
Wait, England, you know? Cold like. Got too much energy. For the bloody thing and it went round my close she was to the fire. You know what we say? Thank God we got the 5-star review already. Or we would have had a problem. We would have had a problem. I know when he was writing it, you know, it's like it's only me. Simeon, don't do it now.
1 year later,
The people that mash up me on the street.
don't invite the gardener back to the They're on some scam. Do the garden now, you invite them back
and then they mash you up to Lord, them are doing bad. I got my coat on though.
Right, I need 4 captains. Who wants to be a captain? Right, 1.
I'm already.
Who wants to be a captain? I need 4 captains. Right, alright. I need 1 more captain.
Gilroy, go on.
1 more.
I'll be a captain.
Hey, good sport, Gilroy. You don't even know what you're captain for. Yeah.
Right, if I spelled your name wrong, just apologies.
Imagine.
Right.
He came. He was like.
It's an eating contest.
There's no more curry mutton. And you know, so you took all the curry mutton between you and Simeon.
you like how I didn't trust? Did you like Gilroy how I didn't trust the flags? That I was like, I'll just get a fire retardant mat just in case. Just in case.
Gilroy. Where's Gilroy? Gilroy.
Pick a person. After someone on the road earlier, the top one.
Right, I'm getting a drink, so you.
You are.
Right, you're my mighty.
Wow.
I'm already. I'm on the sisters team.
No.
2. How many have you got? You got 2 in it.
Just me.
That was just you.
Good head.
Maybe we got too many captains in.
Too many
There's not enough people, is it? Tell him it's too many captains.
I'm trying to figure out the game because it's.
They should have just picked a simple game. Simple. Noughts and crosses. Huh?
Yeah, so sign that down.
Right, come this way, come this way now. Come
I'm over it.
Right. Aisha, pick the 2 teams you're gonna do.
Right.
Pick the 2 players. Pick the 2 players.
What is this?
Is that tug of war?
What is it you got to do? It's not a tug of war. You've got to get them. Tired already.
Aisha, who do you wanna
I'm gonna squirt. Oh, no, I'm not gonna squirt. Sorry. I'm gonna.
Did she say what I mean? The kids are still here, god damn it!
Holding the cup, who's going to squirt them? Right, where's the card? Aisha, let me tell the people. Right, by the way, captains, listen, because you have to get your 2 players ready. Another player holds the cup still.
Yeah.
Starting 1 rope length, so we just done it this way because it'd be too long.
Yeah.
Away, use the water gun, shoots to roll the ball into
Into the cup. Okay, I know that one. Yeah.
Right, listen. If the ball passes the cup, you fail. You have 2 attempts.
Sorry, but she's being distracted by this baby.
Okay.
Baby.
Right, let's go.
He's very cute.
He's in the way.
Go on, Ben.
Come on then, come on.
Wait, where's Jay?
You're here all night.
Water into her.
Come on, Bo.
The ball. Okay.
Squirt the ball into the cup.
Get closer to it. Get closer to it. Give it the energy that it needs. It's not if it's already coming out, isn't it? It's not even
You're literally spraying the ball.
You need my one. Mine was a back one.
You're literally spraying the ball with water. Musical statues, dance a bit.
Junior, you have to dance, yeah? That's the whole point. Make sure no one's moving. Everyone's doing very well.
Now, how about
Who's that? Someone was out.
In Jamaica.
Innit? Tell it from Brock out, Simeon. Steve Stone.
Yes, brethren. I see
This is something like this. Hey!
Anybody out?
Wind it like
Nobody out?
Is no one tempted? No?
Oh, hello. Oh, hilarious. Hilarious.
I'm outside. Where were we?
This is my favorite.
Calm down, Hey, in this place.
Oh, these two over there.
Come on.
So it's four now. Four left, four left. Come on, man, then. The two men left. Who else is left? Oh, these two over there. The five left.
Missy Beanie. The dude with the wickedest smile. When it was 1, 2, 3, I'm
Two now, two left, two left.
Whatever.
It must be great. She sabotaged him. She sabotaged him. Yeah, that's what happens. That's what happens. That's what happens. Say I'm loose.
Fix up. Why you not know people's business?
Leave people business alone. Leave people business alone.
So a Jamaica song, innit?
Yeah. The kids love it.
Rebecca.
Why?
Because you only got this bit unzopped for me.
Yeah, I have to be drinking and do it.
All in one, all in one.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense.